Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can insert a full page background pictures in Microsoft Word. So here I've already opened the file that I want to add backgrounds into this file, this document. So if you want to do the same, just follow my steps here. So just put in the cursor in anywhere you like in a file, in a page. And after that, you can just go to design menu at the top. And here tap on this watermark. Click on the custom watermark and now click on this picture watermark. Click on the select picture and then choose the picture that you want to add as the background. So click from a file, and here I'm going to find the picture. For example, I'm going to make this picture right here as the background. Click on insert. So there will be the setting. You need to you can adjust the scale. I'm going to go with 100, and here enable the wash out if you want to, or you can just unenable this. Let's try to apply first. Okay, let's try auto. So you can just adjust the scale to how you like it. Let's try 50%. Apply. Okay, let's see the result first. So this will be the result for the image. I'm going to just maybe change the scale again into auto. Let's try auto. Click on apply. Okay, I'm going to just use this, or maybe let's try wash out, how it would look like. Okay, so the washout will make the picture looks transparent. So you can just click on close if you are done, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.